Hi guys, good morning. So this right here is something I found at a yard sale. So all it needs right now is just some spray paint to bring it back to life, because there's nothing wrong with this set. It's very sturdy, nothing has broken, and nothing is missing. So this is a bistro set, and it's not cast iron, but it is metal. I picked this up for only $20. She wanted to get rid of it really bad. Actually, she had a whole shed of things she was trying to get rid of, and I came across this and I just could not leave it. So I'm just going to clean it off and give it a fresh coat of spray paint, and we shall see what we have. Stay tuned. This is the spray paint I'll be using. It's by Rust-Oleum. I got 3 cans of this, so that should do. So now all I'm going to do is tape off the glass, because the top is glass and I cannot remove it. I don't know how to remove it. I'm just going to tape it off and spray everything. Okay guys, as you can see, I already covered the top to protect the glass. And now all I'm going to do is just spray paint. Okay guys, I am finished. I took a break, I let it dry. I only put about a coat and a half. Like, I spray painted everything in first, and then I went over to see if I missed any spots. These are the chairs. They look amazing. So only thing next for me to do is to put them in the location that I want them to go, which is not completely ready yet. So that's going to be in another video. I'm going to put this on the west side of my house by my garden, so I have somewhere to sit where I can sit down, read a book, have a glass of wine, and just admire my space that I've created and worked so hard on. So this is it guys. They look amazing. Now as you can see through the glass, the legs that holds the glass and the whole table together is still green. I don't know how to get the glass off to spray paint it, but it won't matter, because I'm gonna put a cute little cover on top of it to protect the glass, and decorate it with like a vase or vase, everyone says it differently, with some flowers and a few things, so it doesn't even matter. You won't be able to see it when I'm finished. So thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys.